Hey there, and welcome to our tutorial on creating conversational surveys in WordPress. Engaging your audience in a conversational format can significantly enhance survey participation and boost your website traffic. In this video, we will walk through the easy steps to create conversational survey with the Survey Maker plugin. So, let's start. In order to create a conversational survey, you need to have the Survey Maker plugin installed and activated on your WordPress dashboard. As you can see, I have already installed and activated the plugin so as not to waste your time. The first step of creating a conversational survey is to click on the Add New button. As you can see, the plugin offers a great variety of ready-made templates you can choose from. When choosing any of these templates, the system will create questions for you, so you will not waste time on creating questions of your survey. We can choose, for example, Employee Satisfaction Survey template. So we click on the Choose Template button. All you need to do to achieve the conversational survey is to go to the Settings tab, scroll down a little bit, then find the Enable Chat Mode feature and tick it. By ticking this option, you can make your survey an online chat conversation. It will print each preset question instantly after the user answers the previous one. As you can see, the chat mode feature works only with the radio, short text, and yes or no question types. There are two ways you can construct your conversational survey with a plugin. Either you can provide questions general to all users, no matter what answer they provided for the previous question, or you can enable the logic jump feature for the survey and direct users to specific questions depending on the answer they provided for the previous question. The chat mode feature works with the logic jump feature as well. Let's check the logic jump feature quickly. For that, we head to the General tab. As you can see, the first question is with short text. Then comes the question with the radio question type. The question is about the time period the survey taker has been working for the company. We can enable the logic jump feature for this question. For that, we click on the three dots and choose the logic jump feature. So if, for example, the user answers up to 1 year for this question type, the survey taker will be redirected to the section 3. And if the user answers 1 to 2 years, he or she will be redirected to the section 2. That means you can achieve a more advanced survey, as the chat will ask questions depending on your previous answers. As we are done with the settings configuration for the conversational survey, we can save the changes to see the survey on the front end. The plugin offers two ways to display the survey on the front end. The first way of showing the survey on the front end is to manually copy the shortcode and paste it to your desired page or a post. The second option is easier. You need to go to the Settings tab. Then here find the Create Post for Survey option, tick it, then save the changes. As you can see, the system already created a post including the shortcode of the survey. So we click on a View Post button. And here is our survey displayed on the front end. Now we will provide answers, for example, Jessica. Here is the question, how long have you been working for the company? For example, I choose up to 1 year. So the next question is, how meaningful do you find your work? As you can see, it is the question of the section 3. That means the logic jump feature worked for us. However, if we refresh the page, Then provide another answer. For example, 1 to 2 years. You will see that another question is displayed for us. And this is the question of the section 2. Let's check it quickly on the dashboard. Here it is. So the chat asked different questions based on the answer we provided for the previous question. As you can see, you can create an advanced conversational survey in easy steps. So today together we created both engaging and advanced conversational survey with our Survey Maker plugin. If you find the video interesting, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye!